Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Just wait till I blow up!
Let's start. First open CapCut. Go to New Project. Add 2 photos, or you can add 1 photo and 1 video. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set first photo to time duration of 1.9 second. Now apply animation on second photo. Go to In and choose Zoom to effect. Set effect duration to 0.5 second. Now set second photo duration to 4 seconds. Now check. Now, choose Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.